All right. Josh doing a personal box of preferred football. Let's get crazy here. That could be nice. Let's save it. Number 199, Dalvin Tomlinson autograph. Rookie auto of Dalvin. You got a redemption second. Flip it over here. For Drea Tankersley, rookie prominent scripts blue. Oh, Cordrea. Tankersley. Rest in peace here. Y.A. Tittle, number 49. (17/49) Y.A. Tittle. Next, Zay Jones /99 rookie silhouette. Zay Jones /99. And 17/25 game used jumbo patch Super Bowl 50 Von Miller. I love those. Von Miller /25 Super Bowl 50 jumbo patch book. Josh, there you have it, brother.